Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a table of contents in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document, and before creating a table of contents, you need to format your section titles as headings. For example, select a section title and click on here. Click on the drop down and select heading 1 or heading 2. Repeat this for all the main section and subsections you want to include in your table of contents. Now place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Usually this is near the beginning of the document. Then click Insert from the top menu and then go to Page Elements, and from here click on Table of Contents. Here you will see different styles. You can choose a table of contents with page numbers or one with clickable links or dotted. Click on the style you prefer. Google Docs will automatically create the table of contents using the headings in your document. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.